Hey,
Hi, David. Good morning.
hey, bro. How are you?
Good, good. How are you?
I'm fine. Okay, I was missing you last week.
Yeah,
Everything okay?
yeah. All good. I was traveling last week.
Okay. I
Yeah.
was a little bit worried, and I was like, "Where is my friend?" Right. So, so
Thanks.
everything good at your side.
Yeah,
So,
all good.
where were you traveling to?
I,
With
I, so
family?
I, work, so I work in this. I live close to the city called Chennai in India.
Okay.
Close meaning around 130 kilometers. And every Wednesday, I'm supposed to go to Chennai. So early in the morning, I take a bike and go. It's a 3 hour
Ah,
drive. Sometimes
nice.
I take a bike and go. So last week when I went, it was raining also, so I couldn't log in. Otherwise, I on bike itself, I'll log in.
Okay. Yeah, that happens. Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
but be careful about that because these sessions are recorded and put up on the site. No worries there. So don't put your life at risk. Okay.
No, yeah. I'll say, yeah.
Okay. Okay. That is one thing that worries me because one of my friend, he's kind of like just like you. He likes to travel a lot, especially on the bike, and he's like whenever we call him, he would pick it up while riding the bike, and we always tell them, for God's sake, don't pick it up while you're riding. Come on, either you stop it and pick it up, or you miss the call. We'll know that you're traveling in.
Mm.
Listen. Okay, great. So today I'm planning for basically we're gonna talk about opportunities, the pipeline, and hmm, now this is very interesting thing. So within the pipeline, this is the new feature, kind of new feature, not really new, but we can create custom fields for the pipeline only. And what does the pipeline or the opportunities impact on the dashboard? And basically all about that thing, how we design it, what impacts, why we create it, and how it helps us in our business. So that would be our topic. I'm gonna wait for 2 more minutes and then we'll share the screen and we'll start yapping about it. Okay? So
Sure.
great. Okay, let's start. Let me share my screen. There we go. Okay. And okay. Okay, so when you come into the opportunities, this is basically where you create the pipeline. So pipelines are basically steps or stages of your business. So let's say you have a business. Uh, let's see what is our main pipeline, main offer pipeline. No, this one is way too simple. Sale process pipeline. Ah, this one is good. So the very first step is now this you might have to do it on the paper. So you have to decide what your business is all about. So take it this way. For our example, we are selecting the sale process pipeline. So in this process, a new contact comes in, or we grab that contact through some list, some organic search, or maybe some sort of ad. They are added. Then we run a nurture campaign to them, and we warm them up, then we follow them up. Essentially, that process is to make them book a meeting with us. And when the meeting happens, we tell it that they showed up for the meeting, or maybe they didn't showed up for the meeting, or the meeting was canceled by them or by us. And after the meeting, if that was successfully done, we send them an agreement for our process, they sign it, and we send them the invoice that they pay. So essentially, it's a pipeline that we have created to follow up how many people we got in the new leads, how many out of them can be like nurtured to warm them up, and after warming them up, did they book the appointment, or maybe they required some more follow-ups. So we split this part into two: warm lead and then follow-up as well. Now there can be other stages in here, like the cold lead, the abandoned leads, and also those ones which we worked on but they never responded. So there can be that stage too. So to create the pipeline, you will first go to opportunities, then pipelines, and in here you will create a new pipeline, name it like demo pipeline. Let's create that, and let's create our stage, which we will call it new lead. The second stage, I will call it nurture. The third one is booked meeting. Then no show, cancelled. Okay, now showed, but this one is not interested. Not interested. Oh, my spelling is incorrect. That is interesting. Okay, and showed, interested, requires more details, and contract sent stage, contract, oh, not the contract signed. Let me, contract, okay, contract signed, invoice paid. Should we keep track? Yeah, that okay. For example, these are the stages of our business. What we are doing is, let's consider the example of okay, let's consider the example of real estate. So what we are doing is we are grabbing the leads. We are running a ad on Facebook that if you want to purchase a house, come to us and we'll find the perfect house for you. Now, once they saw the ad on the social media, what they do is they fill out the form that captures them, that put them in the new lead. Then we nurture them to, okay, book a meeting with us so we can talk about your exclusive requirement about your house. What is your budget? What type of house you want? Where you want? Is it rural or is it urban housing that you want? So on and so forth. And once they have decided, they have selected the house, we send them a contract, they sign the contract, and then they pay us the money for the house that they are purchasing. So now this is our, let's say this is the pipeline for our business. Now we have created this pipeline in here, so we can select it from here, demo pipeline. So anybody who fills up their ad form, new contact will be created in here. Now, assuming that this thing is connected with the automation that you have already created. Now, once they fill out, let's say we have put up the form on the Facebook. So in the automation, we told it, okay, if somebody submits this form, create their contact, put a tag, and add them to this pipeline, create their card. Now, let's create an opportunity manually. Now, this one I'm creating manually. You should actually do this through the automation, because we cannot create every time a new person comes in. We cannot create the opportunity. It's way too lengthy process. But let's say you are creating it manually. We'll select this contact that we already have in our contacts. We tell it, okay, the opportunity name is this one, and we are putting him in the demo pipeline, and he is in the new lead. Now his status, this particular opportunity status is open. We have to work on it. We can actually sell him. He might not be interested, or he might go away in between while we were nurturing him. So those are the 4 status that we have for the opportunities. So let's keep him open. And we tell it we can earn from this particular guy, we can earn like $1,000. And the owner of this opportunity or this contact is going to be help desk. That is my username in here. And if I want, I can add more followers in here. That would be my colleagues or my boss. And when we can fill out like what is his business name, what is his opportunity source, is there any demo tags? Now these tags, the opportunity source and business name, these are picked up from the contact information when the contact was originally created in the system. Now let's create this opportunity. Once it is done, then we go in here and a card will be generated in here, which will tell all the details, basic details. Now, if he books a meeting, it will show the appointment would be shown up in here. Any notes, message, or call, you can see up in here. Now, this guy is open and you're expecting to earn $1,000 from him. Now, this value, there are so many cards within here. This is one card. So if there are like 2 cards, 3 cards, it will automatically total this amount. So it is telling you, you have $1,000 opportunity, and this impacts the dashboard in here. Now, so we have one opportunity that is created within the last 30 days, 31 days, and we can earn $1,000 from him, but we haven't actually earned anything from it. So let's say there were 10 open opportunities. So out of those 10 opportunities, how many we actually converted to sales? So the opportunity or pipeline gives you the bird eye view of your business. And it's telling you how many people are in new lead stage or nurture stage or booking stage. And out of them, how many are show or no show. So what happens is when we tell the automation to move the pipeline or update the pipeline, it moves this card to next one. And when I grab this, see the bottom one, it is also letting me, because this opportunity is open, so it has 3 stages, lost, abandoned, or won, 3 more stages available. When we click on this one, the card, it opens up this detail in here. Now, these are the standard fields that are already present in here. We can add another fields in here. Now, these fields are going to be different than the fields that we create for the contact. So every time you're creating a custom field, its type could be either contact or opportunity. So let's see, do we have that in here? Is there any contact field that is, oh, there you see. Now this particular checkbox 8WTV something is under the contact field, and this opportunity name is for the opportunity name, for the opportunity, the pipeline. Opportunities and pipeline are kind of same. Pipeline is the whole set, and opportunity is the card that is present in that pipeline. So it is telling you it is under the opportunity details. That is the key for it. It was created on this date, so on and so forth. So you can add custom opportunity fields in here. That opportunity field name, the opportunity details name is in here. Okay, so with this particular opportunity, has he booked an appointment? Is there any tasks that are pending? And any notes, you can put them all up in here. So see, this is the demo note that we put up on July 31st. So it is showing up that note in here as well. And this is the same note that you will find for this particular contact in his contact detail in here as well. So David Brown, and if we go to his notes, you see the same note is, so you can create the note in here. You can add the note under the opportunity in here as well. And it will be automatically synchronized. So that doesn't mean the contacts are being duplicated. Rather, contact is the place where you find the information for that particular contact. Opportunity is where you find them, what kind of money you are expecting to earn from them. Now, if I move this card to one stage and it disappeared because I forgot to turn off the filter. Where is that? Default view, owner detail, opportunity details, pipeline. Give me 1 second. Where do we? Okay, I don't want to save. Export, import, no. Oh, there we go. It's not. And the advanced filter, this is the filter that I was talking about. Now, this one is we moved it to 1, so it automatically changed the status from open to 1. When we created this opportunity card, it was under the open stage, but when I dragged it to 1. Now I drag it to, let's say, lost. It is telling us to tell us the reason for the lost, and when we confirm it, it will be put in, the status would be changed from 1 to lost. So that's how you can see how many people you have in the 1 stage, open stage, abandoned stage, all those features. Now, this new lead, he was sent a message and an email through the automation. So in the automation, we actually told him now put him in the nurture stage, because we are nurturing him to become our client, to buy the house from us. And let me put its status from open. And after the nurture, what happened is he actually booked a meeting with us. Now, during that meeting, we gave him a demo. We discussed what is his house requirement, the house that he's interested in. And so we would update that according to what happened during the meeting. Now, he's conducting the meeting with us right now, but this card will move after the meeting has happened. So if he was interested, showed interested, requires more detail or anything, we will put him in here. If he came to the meeting, but he never clicked with us, then we'll put the card in here. Maybe he was no show, maybe he booked, canceled the meeting. So according to what is happening with any particular contact at any time in the business lifeline, you'll see that card movement, and this value, every time we move the card, it is automatically adding its whole column value on the top of that particular stage. So this is the name of the pipeline, and these are the stages within that pipeline. Now, when we have already created a pipeline, we can go to the pipeline and let's say this is the one that we have created, we added it. Now, what I want is I forgot to add the stage meeting showed or simply showed. So I will add another stage in here, showed. And I want to see this showed stage right after the booked meeting. So I will drag this up one by one till I find him at the desired place. I want him right about here. And then I'll save it. Now I have added a new stage in the pipeline. If we go there, go back to the opportunities after booked meeting, now we have another stage that is showed. And the card automatically stayed in the same place which it was, even though I have created this new stage. So he showed up for the meeting, but we don't know if he's interested or not. If he's not interested, then after the meeting, I can put him not interested. If he was interested and requires more detail, I'll put the card in here. If he was just interested and there is nothing we need to do anymore, I will keep them in the book meeting showed stage. Now, what happened is after the meeting, what happened is he agreed to purchase the house using us. So we'll put him that he was sent a contract that he liked for that house. Now the contract is sent to this person, and as soon he signs that, his card will move to the contract sign stage, and as soon he pays us, it automatically moves in here. Now, when I say automatically, you have to create the workflows or the automations and use the update opportunity action within there to move the card. So that's where that check mark in the bottom that you see, should we allow the card to move backwards or should it move forward? So when you look at these ones, demo pipeline, so this is your first stage that would be on extreme left, and this would be your last stage, and that is on the extreme right. In between, you can change their stages where you want to see them. So now, what will happen? Let's go back in here. And he paid the invoice. Now, we sent him a contract, he signed that, then we sent him an invoice, and he paid that invoice. Now he's in invoice paid. So essentially what happened with him is his status is changed from open to 1. Now, when this status is changed, what will happen in the dashboard, you'll see that you have one opportunity whose value is prospect income that you can earn from that one opportunity is $1,000, and you have actually converted that one opportunity into the sale in last 31 days. So you can select the date range to show these data. According to that data, it will create these values in here. How many opportunity cards are there, and out of them, how many are in the one status, how many got abandoned. It will automatically, like let's say there were 3 opportunities, only 1 bought. So what it will show in here, 3, it will show you can earn 3,000, and out of that you have earned 1,000 only. Okay, so, and when you click on it, right now it is not, but it will show you all the conversion rate because we are moving it way too fast. So it's not showing up, but when you click in here, it shows up the value, how many people got converted in here. Okay, let's go back to the opportunities one more time. And for this to work, what I suggest is use the automation action update opportunity. You cannot update this process manually because it's way too tedious. Anybody can make a mistake, especially when we are dragging this contact. If in the middle of something happened, I dropped him in here, it automatically update this particular stage, and the status is now on 1. Now this creates a problem, and you won't find it even in the dashboard because the status is on the 1. Now let's say you have 100 people in that one, and one of them is dropped into no show. That value will still be counted because the status is on the 1 side. Okay, so now why do we need the opportunities or pipelines? These help us keep track of what our business is progressing, how much money we can expect to earn from our business or our campaign. Let's just put him back in here. Give me 1 second. Okay. So now this, so far so good. Everybody understands what we are talking about. There are some other views that you can see what is happening with any opportunity. It has details. You can manage the column of this table as well. Like I don't want to see its status, the value. I don't want to see its status. I don't want to see who owns this opportunity. That would come up handy when you are dealing with the sales team, because you are selling the houses. So you might have more than one real estate agent. So who owns it? That comes handy. Is there any tag, something? When we click apply, it will automatically update that information in here. The columns that we don't need, now they are disappeared from here. So this one in here, and you can like add more fields, add more details, opportunity details. What is his status? What is his, like all these. I'm gonna add all of these. No, not all of them. Now you see this information. It's giving you a whole lot of different type of information. Now sorted is how you want this information to be displayed to you. Should it be displayed like from top to bottom? Should it from bottom to type? How you want to see them? And you can create. Now this one is coming up probably in this quarter. You might have seen we have updated the system, and now the form submission looks entirely different, and you have the same control like these information, what needs to be displayed or not. Okay, now so now you know how to create a pipeline, you know how to create the contact card in here or the opportunity status, and you also know what it is telling you, also what kind of monetary value it is giving you on your dashboard. So now this comes handy for a business owner who has a lot of employees, so he can see how much opportunity value it is, and out of that, how many actually got converted to sales. So it's kind of a reporting tool, but a visual. And also on the basis of what is happening in here, it updates your dashboard in real time. So one opportunity, and this is what we can earn, but we haven't converted him to become a customer. I changed the status from 1 to open, and that's why that money is gone from here, and it's only showing up in here. Okay. Let's get back to opportunities one more time. Now let's go to the bulk action. Now in the bulk action, if you have selected more than one card, and let's say you have deleted those opportunities, it will show that detail in here. What is the action label? What happened into it? Is it complete or not? Who did it? When it was done? And when it was completed? And what are the statistics about that within here. Now, since we know the opportunity is done and the pipeline is complete, let's go to automations. And in the automations, gonna go to a random workflow. And we can add an action in here, and that is update opportunity status or create or update opportunity. So status means you are changing from open to one or abandoned or lost. And create and update opportunities. Do you want to create a new opportunity? In which pipeline? In which stage they should be? And what is their value that you are expecting to earn from them? What is their opportunity source? How they are coming? So usually what I do is I map this to contact, and then I do it to source. And for name, I use their own name as the name. Lead value and status is I'm putting it open, and I'm telling it that the opportunity could be moved to previous stage in the pipeline, because essentially a customer's journey should be one way only. He was a new lead, he booked an appointment, got nurtured, interested, bought a product, contract was sent, he signed it, then he paid, all that. But I'm putting this, allow the opportunity card to move in previous stage. That's how the automation will put it. Now, the interesting part in here, if we move the card in the opportunity stage, we can start the trigger or the workflow from the opportunity. So pipeline stage. So his card was moved by some other workflow. And on the basis of that, you want to start some sort of automation. You can always do that. Which pipeline it is, we tell it demo pipeline. We tell it if he is in this stage, new lead, and his status is open. If he's in this stage and his in this stage and his status is open, then we can tell it, okay, use the chat GPT something and send an email. So on the basis of that opportunity card movement, you can start and update the opportunity cards and their statuses. So far, so good. Let's go to opportunities one more time. And this time we're gonna create a custom opportunity field in here. We'll click on add and manage field. I'm creating the field as drop down single. Yep. And let's call it field name. I'm gonna call it male, female, male or female. That is my question. Okay. And I'm putting him under, I will select the opportunity in here. The group automatically gets disabled. So option, we are giving him the option to select male, and another option is female. Now we have created this custom, okay, I'm gonna put it in the opportunity details, custom field. And if we go back to the opportunities and to the card, it will show our question that we have created in here. So here you see, is it male or female? And we can select one of them. So this is what our question we made. Now, This particular question, male or female, is limited to within the pipeline or opportunities only. It will not be visible under the contact. That question never came up in here. Guys, excuse me. Give me 1 second. I just dropped something. Okay, so in here, you'll see you have all the custom fields for the contacts. You don't have the custom field male or female in here because these are the contacts custom field, not the opportunities custom field. That only you will see within a card. When you click on the card and you scroll down, you'll see any opportunity field that you have created in here. And if they have answered, what is the answer to that particular question? Okay. Now, if they have already booked a meeting, this calendar icon would automatically lit up and it will tell you that there is already one meeting booked. Do you want to add any other appointment? Do you want to add a task to this contact or maybe send him the note? SMS, phone, everything is there. And what are the tags? So when we click on this one, notes, we can add the notes to that contact and it will be synchronized with the contacts in our software. Okay. That's about it. Basically, opportunities and pipeline is kind of done now. Do you have any question for me? Okay, let's see what is happening in the bulk action. So if I select more than one person, more than one card in here, and do perform some sort of action, it will show up in the bulk action in here. Or if the automation does it and it is doing all of them all at the same time, it will also show up in here. The pipelines and opportunities are complete. Now fire away your questions and we'll talk about that. Hey, Pradeep, do you have any question for me?
Yeah, David. So this op, can I send email to everybody in a particular state of an opportunity?
Yeah, exactly. You
How do
can
we do that?
using the automations. You won't be sending any emails through here. You have to create the trigger as pipeline stage moves. So his card. Now, let's say, let's create that. So in the automations, we create a workflow and the trigger is going to be, okay, come on, load it. In here, the trigger is going to be pipeline stage change, and we tell it that it is under the in the pipeline. So we tell it first which pipeline, and then we tell it that if he's moved to the stage of nurture, just send him an email.
No, I'm trying to see the functionality of the tags. No, like all the people that are already there in that stage, I want to send them an email or a WhatsApp.
Uh, and they are part of a pipeline.
Yeah, they're in that
So
particular. Like for example, if I have to mail all my students that have bought my course, that in that pipeline.
in that pipeline, they are stuck to one stage. They have one particular tag. That is an interesting question. Okay,
I we can
let's.
do that with the tag, but in the beginning I messed up with the tag. I'm streamlining it right now.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. So let's say this is the email that should be sent. We publish this one. Okay, let's create another card in the opportunities. And let's say we have another opportunity card and we select the help desk one and we put it yada 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 in here. So now we have two in here. Okay, got it. Now can we select them all together? I don't think so.
Or if you can grab the email ID, phone numbers of each of these, like all the people in that pipeline alone.
Yeah, but like we cannot multiple select in here. We can like do it one by one. If I move help desk in here, the automation will trigger and it will send the email to this person, and so on and so forth.
Oh, like that.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Hmm.
like in the automations, it should did we actually publish the workflow? Oh, we
No.
didn't. So we should publish it. Okay, let's call this pipeline demo. So we'll know that it is. Let's go to opportunities. Now they are already in the nurtured stage, so I'm gonna move them to any stage. Let's move this guy to here and this guy in here. Now what is happening? Come on, put it back. Now what? Oh my goodness. So now one is in the advanced stage, one is in the previous stage, and our automation says that if a card moves to this pipeline under this stage, it will send them the email. You drag them in here and in here. Now these both contacts should be added to the workflow automatically
Hmm.
and should be sent to that email. So yeah, two got enrolled in there. That means that means it picked up correctly. So it doesn't matter if the car is moving backwards or if it is moving forward. If it goes to that particular stage, this action will perform or this workflow will start. So if you look at the enrollment history, it is telling us that he was added to the workflow because pipeline stage was changed. So that's how. So, but the limitation in here is you have to grab the person one by one to be moved. So yes, you can. If you have the pipeline and you have everyone in here, probably would be like 50 or 60 people. So you can like create that kind of workflow and keep moving that. It will take you 5-7 minutes, but essentially that they will be automatically be added in there. And on the basis of which pipeline stage they are in, it's another way, though it is not the function of this thing, but you can say they are also sorted because let's say you have really messed up the tags and you cannot use the tags to filter your contacts. You can use the pipeline to filter the contacts in a broader sense. Yes, you can. And with this, okay, now this one here, you see this guy, we have the opportunity to earn $1,000 from him, but this guy, we have no money expected to earn from it. But in the dashboard, if you look at now, it's still gonna say there are two opportunities that are open, but we have only 1,000 that we can earn because only one card has that value. So out of that, even if I make this guy like the zero guy status change to 1, it won't affect because the opportunity value is 0. So in our dashboard, though 1 is converted, but we actually earned nothing. The system doesn't know. Out of the 2, you have actually made sales to 1 person, but you didn't earn anything because we never put up the value of that person, how much we expected to earn and how much we actually earned from him. So there is no value in here. But we have 2 active opportunities. Out of that, 1 is still going on and 1 is already being sold. Our product is sold to. And it is telling us what is our situation, how many open, how many won, what is the revenue that we earned, and so on and so forth. And now it is showing us the details of who is the one what are the tags, what is his details, and how much money it earned. So it tells you all the details, which you can actually export as well. So it is a good tool for your reporting to, if you're working with someone, you can use this dashboard with the help of opportunities to update your accounting metrics. Okay,
Done.
great.
Give, give me.
Now, go ahead. Oh, okay. Okay, let me turn that automation off. Pipeline. And let's go back to opportunities. And let's drag him in here. Okay, now let's do this. Booking here and let me refresh the page. Okay, now it is at the right place. Okay, and it is sorted by created. I don't want any type of filters in here. Good. And there are two opportunities under this pipeline. We can export the data like this. Let me bring it in here. That's how it would show up in the details. So this is what you would see, and the opportunity status and what are the tags and everything. So yeah, so you have like a lot of information that you can export from here. Okay, now I'm thinking of some scenario.
I have one question, David.
Yeah, go ahead,
Uh,
please.
yeah, so mine are all children, and once they grow up, they grow out of it. Like the so, is it possible for me to track age in custom fields here, like for it to change every year, kinds?
Yes, we can do that, but not from the pipeline. We can do it through the automation. What you can do is you can in the automations, you can use the update contact field action to update that using the mathematics. So what you need is what you do is you need to have two things. You need to have their date of birth year or date of birth, okay? And then use the math, add that, save it in a contact field, and update in the age contact field. So you will be needing like update contact field. So you will tell it which field to be added, the data from which to which. And with the maths function, using the math function, you're gonna convert a custom field. Okay, and that is the age, and just add, like add, subtract, or multiply, like whatever the year, and then multiply, or you can calculate the age using the math function in here. It will save it in this one, and then it will update the field in here in the age. From date of birth, where is the date of birth? It should be date field. Yeah, date of birth, and then update into the age field. So you can use the math function for that. That we cannot achieve it in the pipeline. We have to use the automation for that.
Done.
Not a very good example, but kind of like that.
Yeah, that's it. One more thing I wanted to ask, can we maintain pipeline based on course completion status?
Oh, yes, we can. So what it will do is you have to create those custom fields and you have to create stages in here. Now, what will happen in your workflow? You will tell it if they have this field updated or equal to this, move the card to that stage. If that field has this, then move to that stage, that stage, that stage. And according to whatever they have moved, another workflow will fire up according to that. If they have like successfully completed 50%, send them the revision material. And if they have completed fully, send them a test or certificate, and you can like on with the help of pipeline and automation, yes, you can do that. So you don't have to track your student field. And on the basis of this one, you can like put up the numbers that will reflect on your dashboard to show you how many guys are on which stage or what is happening. Okay,
Done. Awesome.
great. Any other question, any other scenario? I always enjoy your questions. Your questions are technical and it helps me, you know.
Basically, I'm asking all of these questions because I'm trying to see if I can create like a gamification or leaderboard for my students to tell saying I'm at. So my courses are like this: level one, project two, project three, level two, project two, project two, project three.
Yeah,
This
you can
pipeline
create
here.
that. So create the pipelines, project
Hmm.
one, project two, project three, and you'll see how many people are here because it is telling you how many people are there.
Hmm.
Like this card, if I drag it here, 2 opportunities, and it tells us there are 2 people in here. So you'll
Yes.
see on project one, there are 3 people, 5 people on project two, so on and so forth. And you can create multiple opportunities, and people can be part of multiple opportunity pipelines.
Hmm.
So that is also interesting. So right now, these guys are part of the demo pipeline that we created. If we want them to be remember in the automation, we were talking about remove opportunity card and create or update opportunity card action. So
Hmm.
remove means we are removing him from one pipeline and adding him in other. But if we only use the add one or add or update one, it will create another card in a different pipeline. So now you can create to keep track of the course progress, you create one pipeline. To create how much you are earning, you create another pipeline. So different type of section, you can create different pipelines, and according to that, you can see what is happening in your business.
Amazing. Yeah, I think I got it. So I can have a complete course completion pipeline, customer journey pipeline like that.
Yes, exactly.
Awesome.
You got the right idea. Sometimes I really don't find the correct words,
Hmm.
and you always help me with that. Thank you. I really appreciate that. So, any other question, any other thing, you know? Oh, we have a message on the chat. Sorry, can
Oh,
we
that
add
would be.
add birth date, age, and make it an automatic change every year? Yeah, yeah. Oh, that we
I asked you
discussed.
already. Yeah.
Hmm. Okay, and I didn't see somebody just joined us. Usman, Hashim Usman. Welcome, Hashim Usman. But it is like almost the end of the session. So if you have any question regarding to the pipelines or opportunities, please go ahead and I'll try to answer you.
No, that's fine. I'll rely on the next session then. Thank you.
Sure. No worries. So Pradeep, which function should we talk about next? Every time I'm asking you this question, I always put this on you.
So uh, I told I'm very excited of the leaderboard and points and everything. I'm trying to I did some research on the communities.
Okay.
Oh, there are two things. One is the app is announced. The own branded app is announced. So if I can see the features of that, that will be awesome.
Oh, okay. The
And
mobile
then
app.
a mobile app, own branded mobile apps.
A branded mobile app. Yeah, let me see. this quarter we have done a lot of updations. So, okay, what is happening? Brand identity. Okay, now this one I didn't even go through the training for this one. So, okay, I'll do the training within this week and I'll show you what it is talking about. That's a good
Done.
idea.
Awesome.
That's
That's
a good
one.
idea. Basically, what is happening this quarter, we have done a lot of updation. You might have seen like in the sites, in form submission, that UI is updated. Also, there are some other features that are also added, like you might even see, though I don't think we have enabled it for us. No, we haven't. We have created a voice bot that will tackle your telephone calls even. We have done that even, but we haven't added that feature to be sure. We are still working on it, but that is available to us on the back end, and we are doing that. We are working on that. So it
The
might be
quizzes
available
is
very.
here. I
Sorry?
just noticed the quizzes are here. Quizzes can be added as assignments for my sessions, right?
Yes, exactly.
Awesome.
Now, these quizzes are for your website quizzes. The quizzes
like
for your
LinkedIn.
memberships, they are also there. You can create, like within the products, you already have the option. But here comes the limitation of this software. If we go into this one and okay, what do we create? I always forget that. How do we, no, not the category.
Assignment only is there. There's no
Assessment.
quiz here. Yeah.
Assessment. So assessment, if I create this assessment in here, and then I can create multiple choice questions. I cannot, now software automatically checks that how many questions are correct or wrong, and it can automatically issue the certificate on the basis of the whatever passing criteria you set. But if you ask a question which requires some wording answer, we haven't solved this till now. Maybe in next quarter, maybe using the AI, we would even grade that. But till now, any wording question which requires an answer in English or in some language, we can't check that automatically. But for multiple choice question, yes, you have this. You can create your own assessment and it will create the questions and, everything. And it can do the checking automatically. It tells that you set up the passing criteria, you set up which options are correct, and it automatically grade them. And on the basis of that, it automatically even issues the certificate to the student even. But then again, if I ask what is your name and you say John Pradeep, it won't know that because every time the answer would be different. Somebody else would say John Pradeep, someone would say my name is John Pradeep. So which is the correct answer in here? So that's where we are still working on it. We are still not there for the text input question to be graded. But I think with the going on AI, yes, we can do that. Now, here is the interesting part. I just said we cannot grade the question which has the text answer. But using the external automation, we can grade that automatically as well. If we put that answer in a custom field, and through the external automation, we put it in ChatGPT or any AI one, and we tell it, is it correct or wrong? And then we bring that data back in here, it can grade the software. But what we want is, rather than using the external, we want to build that within here. We haven't done that, but we can.
Done.
Probably.
Awesome.
So
yeah, one more feature I would like to know is WhatsApp sending, the app and WhatsApp, both of these.
Oh, the WhatsApp. Okay, where is the WhatsApp? Okay. This one particularly, first thing is it's gonna cost you additionally this money.
I've signed up for it.
Then okay. Why don't you share your screen and let's see your account?
sharing is not turned on.
Should be.
But this is for next week also, like if you want to prepare or access my screen kinds.
Yeah. Okay. So there you go. Now, screen is coming up. Okay. So you have connected your business WhatsApp in here. So this gives you the option to send out the messages via WhatsApp. Now, why we are connecting in here and why we are paying this amount is to utilize the automation feature. That's about it. So
So
if
part of the
somebody
work
is, sorry?
to be added to the workflow, but we cannot do a campaign with WhatsApp, is it?
No, we can do that. We can do that. So basically, it's an additional method of communication, just like SMS and emails. Now you have WhatsApp messaging as well available to you. So yes, you can. So basically, for our region, India, Pakistan, Gulf, like UAE, Saudi Arabia, where the WhatsApp is more popular than the SMS, WhatsApp comes handy.
Yeah.
But for US clients, WhatsApp is like kind of like useless because they don't use WhatsApp. They use iMessage and SMS more. So different in culture, according to your needs, it is there. Okay. Great.
Awesome.
Great. So that's about it. So I'll see you guys next week. And the feature that we were looking was what was it? It was in the branded mobile app. Okay, I got it. I think I need a training on this as well. So I'll drag somebody to teach me this, and hopefully till next week I'll be ready to talk about the mobile app, branded mobile app. Okay. See you soon, buddy. Take care.
Thanks.
Everybody, thank you very much for this session. Take care. Bye-bye.